Hello, how you doing? Sam Spinella, your trusted real estate guy. Happy 2022. Hopefully you're staying healthy. Hopefully you have not gotten COVID. And if you haven't, stay away from it as much as you can. It's pretty bad. But let's talk about the housing market, what to expect in 2022 in the housing market. So really, it's very interesting because in 2022, what we can expect are higher interest rates. Higher interest rates equal higher payments. And when you're looking at the interest rates, the average that they're expecting is going to be about 3.7% at fourth quarter 2022. And so we can expect the interest rates to go higher. We can expect that we will have higher house prices as well. So Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, CoreLogic, MBA, HPES, Zelman, and NAR, the average expectation is 5.2% appreciation in housing. So the housing is still strong, the prices are still strong. And so the question, because automatically people think back to 2008, the big crash of 2008, and what was happening there was credit was very loose. And so that's why I have this slide here. So the Mortgage Credit Availability Index shows us what the mortgage expectation is. How easy is it to get a mortgage? The higher that number, the easier it is. So if you were around 2006, if you remember that, it was so easy to get a mortgage that it was sad how easy it was to get a mortgage. So if you look at now, it's a much more healthy number to get a mortgage than it was before. And if you look at that over the past few years as well, it continues to be the same. So remember, even up here, when we're at 180, 190 on the MCAI, even when we're up here, we're still looking at much, much lower than 900, where it was back in 2008. The other question becomes, there's going to be a lot of homes that came out of the forbearance. And so now our forbearance, so this is kind of the next check in the box, right? So the forbearance is very low. So it's actually below $1 million now. And so then the next question kind of becomes, well, what happens when those million go on the market? Well, you can look and see that even out of those million, we're still at such a low percentage on the distressed properties that for the percentage of distressed properties, we're like teetering on 0%. So distressed properties, that really takes that away from it as well. And so if we recap on that, interest rates are going to go up. Are the lenders being responsible? Are they lending responsible? Are buyers purchasing and borrowing responsibly? Yes. Are there a bunch of distressed homes that are going to flood the market? No. And so overall, the housing market forecast is really strong overall. Let me know if you have any questions, 408-393-9294. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Like I said, Happy New Year. Talk to you soon.